Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the Windows Update error code. There were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. And then followed by error code 0x80070103. So hopefully it should be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in Troubleshoot. Best match will come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side underneath Options, you want to select Other Troubleshooters. And then underneath Most Frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and then the Run button. And hopefully that's been able to resolve the problem. If not, something else we can try here as well. If you open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now you want to go ahead and type in SFC followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.